Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. In this video, we'll explore the applications, advancements, and potential of AR and VR technology. Get ready to be immersed in a new reality. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are two innovative technologies that have gained significant attention in recent years. In this video, we'll delve deeper into the world of AR and VR, exploring their applications, advancements, and the potential they hold for various industries. Augmented reality enhances our perception of reality by overlaying digital content onto our physical environment. From smartphone apps to smart glasses, Arkansas is revolutionizing the way we interact with the world. Imagine being able to try on virtual clothing before making a purchase or having real-time information displayed while exploring a city. AR is not limited to consumer applications alone. It has found practical use in fields such as education, where students can engage in immersive learning experiences, visualize complex concepts, and interact with virtual objects. In healthcare, Arkansas is being utilized for surgical planning, training, and even assisting surgeons during procedures. Virtual reality, on the other hand, transports users to entirely simulated environments. By wearing a VR headset, users can experience a sense of presence in virtual worlds. Gaming is one of the most popular applications of VR, allowing players to immerse themselves in virtual adventures and explore new realms. However, the impact of VR extends beyond entertainment. It has the potential to revolutionize industries like architecture and design, allowing professionals to visualize and experience spaces before they are built. In the field of healthcare, VR is being used for pain management, rehabilitation, and therapeutic interventions. Moreover, VR enables virtual travel experiences, giving individuals the opportunity to visit far-off places, historical sites, or even imaginary worlds. It can also be a powerful tool for training in high-risk occupations, where realistic simulations provide hands-on experience in a safe environment. Both AR and VR are continuously advancing, with ongoing research and development pushing the boundaries of what is possible. As technology improves, we can anticipate even more immersive and interactive experiences with enhanced graphics, realistic haptic feedback, and seamless integration with our daily lives. In conclusion, augmented reality and virtual reality have immense potential to transform various industries and reshape how we interact with our environment. Whether it's enhancing our reality or immersing ourselves in virtual realms, Arkansas and VR are paving the way for exciting new possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of augmented reality and virtual reality. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on emerging technologies. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to uncover the latest advancements in the world of technology. Until then, take care and keep embracing the world of AR and VR.